Do you want to be able to redeem your YouTube Premium code? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step until the very end to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for you to go into Google and you can search for YouTube Redeem, as you can see, so search for this. And by the way, you can do this on your mobile as well, but I'm going to do this on my computer because it's just much simpler in my opinion. But of course this also works on your mobile, just so you know. So go into Google, search for YouTube Redeem, and then you should be taken to this page right here. And now you need to locate this one from YouTube right here. Don't click on anything else, just locate this one from YouTube. And then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply now enter the code that you have for your YouTube Premium, then click on next. And after that you will be able to redeem your YouTube gift card. And if it does not work, well, then you will need to actually double check so that everything that you have written is correct, of course. And hopefully after that it will work. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.